What's up guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to link your email login for Kuni Crossworlds. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. After starting the game and creating a character, make sure to tap on the burger menu on the top right of your screen, and then on the gear icon on the bottom to access your game settings. From here, navigate to the account section. Click on Sign in with email. This will allow you to link your account to your email and access the PC or mobile version with the same game progress. On this window, you can log in with your email and password in case you want to link an existing account, or select Sign up with email in case you haven't linked your email to your account yet. After entering your credentials, you will have to wait for a verification email, which can take a couple of minutes to arrive in your inbox. After the verification, you can use your email and password to continue your game progress on your PC or mobile device after logging in with your account. After linking your account, you can claim your link reward when selecting Account Link Reward in your account settings below. For each link, for example when linking a social media account, you will receive 30,000 gold. In case you have any further issues or problems following this tutorial, then I suggest following my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.